Hey mums, congratulations! You've brought a new life into the world. But if you're now looking in the mirror and wondering, when will I get my old body back? You're not alone. Today, I'll walk you through safe, realistic, and natural ways to lose weight after pregnancy, without crash diets. Without guilt, and with a focus on healing your body first. Let's be clear, your body just went through something incredible. You grew a whole human being. So, weight gain during pregnancy is completely normal. Most women gain between 10 to 15 kilograms, 22 to 33 pounds during pregnancy, and a good part of it is baby weight, fluids, and blood volume. After birth, you instantly lose some weight, the baby, placenta, and fluids about 5 to 7 kilograms. To rest takes time. And that's okay. On-camera tip: don't compare your body to Instagram mums. Everyone's journey is different. The focus should be on recovery and nourishment. Doctors usually recommend waiting 6 to 8 weeks after a normal delivery before starting any weight loss plan. If you had a C-section, your recovery might take longer. Always check with your doctor before resuming exercise. Remember, your body is still healing, hormones are changing, you're producing milk, and your sleep cycle is off. So, start slow. The goal is long-term recovery, not fast results. Postpartum nutrition is all about eating enough to heal and nourish, not cutting calories drastically. Foods that help lose weight naturally. Protein-rich foods, eggs, fish, lentils, chicken, tofu. They help repair tissues and build muscle. Fiber-rich foods, oats, apples, chia seeds, leafy greens. Keeps you full and prevents sugar spikes. Healthy fats, avocados, nuts, olive oil. Essential for hormone balance and brain health. Iron-rich foods, spinach, dates, and lean meat. Sport prevents postpartum fatigue. Hydration: drink 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Boosts metabolism and helps with milk production. Foods to avoid: sugary snacks and sodas, processed foods. White bread and fried foods. Too much caffeine can affect sleep and baby's digestion. Pro tip: if you're breastfeeding, you burn 400 to 500 calories per day naturally. So don't starve yourself. Eat smart, not less. Start gentle. Your body needs movement, not punishment. Stage 1, weeks 1 to 6. Recovery focused, gentle breathing exercises. Kegel exercises for pelvic floor light. Stretching only if approved by your doctor. Stage 2, after 6 to 8 weeks. Light workouts. Walking. Start 10 to 15 minutes a day. Postpartum yoga or Pilates. Light strength training or resistance bands. Dance or swimming, if healed. Stage 3, after 3 to 4 months. Routine building, 30 minutes of activity. 4 to 5 days a week. Focus on consistency, not intensity. Include your baby. Many mums walk with strollers or use baby carry workouts. It keeps things fun and helps bonding. One of the biggest weight loss barriers after pregnancy is lack of sleep and stress. When you're asleep, your body produces more cortisol, the stress hormone, which increases fat storage, especially around your belly. Tips: sleep when the baby sleeps. Even short naps help. Share responsibilities with your partner or family. Practice deep breathing or meditation. Don't weigh yourself every day. Focus on energy and mood. Your doctor may recommend supplements like on vitamin D, omega-3, calcium. These are not for weight loss but for rebuilding strength and maintaining healthy milk supply. It took 9 months to gain the weight. Give yourself at least 6 to 12 months to lose it safely. Celebrate small wins. Maybe your jeans fit better, or you feel more energetic. That's real progress. Remember, you're not just losing weight, you're rebuilding you. Postpartum weight loss isn't about perfection, it's about healing, strength, and balance. Take care of your mind and body, and your body will take care of you. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more women's health and wellness tips.